This is Organelles of the Cell by McDonald. Realize that this video is being recorded in my crazed 3 o'clock in the morning self. So it's not gonna be the best, but you know, I'm trying. To start off, this is my snazzy poster that I am also making at 3 o'clock in the morning. Just finished it, but first off, we're gonna start with the cell membrane. The basic function of the cell membrane is to protect the cell from its surroundings. Really? The next thing we got here is chromatin. Chromatin apparently means to package DNA into smaller volume to fit in the cell. To reinforce the DNA macromolecule, I don't know what that means, to allow mitosis, to prevent DNA damage, and to control gene expression and DNA replication. Really, Wikipedia. Our next thing is the endoplasmic reticulum. That is gonna go over the smooth ER and the rough ER, unfortunately. The smooth ER regulates and releases calcium ions and processes toxins. Alright. The rough ER is found from the ribosomes on it, and they are called membrane bound. And they are responsible for the assembly of many proteins. Great. This bad boy down here is our lysosome. Lysosomes are organelles that contain digestive enzymes, and they digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses or bacteria. And take it from Grumpy Cat, don't take anatomy. It's a trap! Next we have our nucleus. The nucleus contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. This material is organized as DNA molecules, along with a variety of proteins to form chromosomes. And believe me, you need your chromosomes. Next we have centrioles. They look like spaghetti, but I promise you they are not. The main function of the centrioles is to help with cell division. In animal cells. Alright. The centriole helps with the formation of spindle fibers and separates the chromosomes during cell division. That's mitosis. Don't forget that. Down here we have the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm supports and protects cell organelles. Yay! That's great! Yeah! Next we got this bad boy, the nuclear membrane, because apparently you need it to survive. Well, you kinda need to live, so it works. Your nuclear membrane controls movement and materials in and out of the nucleus. That's great. That's just great. And now we have the mitochondria. That makes energy, and I think ATP. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell. They are organelles that act like digestive systems that take in nutrients, break them down, and creates energy-rich molecules for the cell. Ow, crap, that's loud. Whoa! This, my friends, is the vacuole. Vacuole?
Yo, did you know the vacuole
Stores water and food and waste. That's what the vacuole does,
bruh? Straight out of the cell.
This is like the peroxisome. So, peroxisomes are long fatty acids that are converted to medium-chain fatty acids, which are subsequently shuttled down to mitochondria, where they are eventually broken down to carbon dioxide and water. I'd like to thank Mrs. Swaim for teaching me all of this stuff that I'm gonna have to know eventually. Thank you. Kudos. This is the nucleolus. Look at it. Looks like a sun, but it isn't. Plot twist. The main function of the nucleolus is to... does something. Oh, the main function of the nucleolus is to rewrite RNA, or RNA to combine it with proteins. This results in the formation of incomplete ribosomes. Might as well complete it. Nucleolus, you need to complete your stuff. This is the ribosome. Yo, can I take your order? Oh wait, I'm talking about ribosomes. Ribosomes are a cell structure that make protein. Stay in school, kids, or you're going to be working at Auntie Anne's like me. Protein is needed for many cell functions, such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Okay, wait. They can be found floating in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Alright. Last but not least, we have the Golgi apparatus. Oh, wait. We're talking about the Golgi. The Golgi is known as the cell's post office. Wonder why? A major function of the Golgi is modifying and sorting and packaging of proteins for secretion. It also involves in the transport of lipids around the cell and the creation of lysosomes. The sacs or fold of the Golgi apparatus are called cisternae. I don't know how to do a pirate accent. Arrgh. I'd just like to take a minute and say, plan for your projects, kids, or you're gonna end up drinking a whole lot of Red Bull and staying up till 4 in the morning. This concludes Organelles of the Cell by Alex McDonald. Go team! Not really. Go to sleep.